can check your TikTok watch history. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can check your TikTok watch history. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your TikTok application. So now once you are in here, in the bottom right corner there is the option of your profile icon. You just have to click on it. And from here you have to click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner, and you have to go on the settings and the privacy. So now once you are in, you just have to scroll down and here is the option of the content and the display. Here you have to tap on the activity center. From here you have to go on the watch history, and here you are able to see all of your watch history in your TikTok. And if you want to add your search history or you want to check your search history, you just have to click on it, and from here you are also able to check your watch history. So that's how you can check your watch history in your TikTok. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.